Here we have the FIRGELLI Utility Actuators. These are a rugged, compact design for universal hardy applications, smaller than the average actuator, as you can tell, and they're lightweight, but still pretty rugged. We offer them in two different forces as standard, 110-pound force and 330-pound force, strokes from 2 to 12-inch as standard. They're also IP66 rating, come with built-in Hall sensors if you want to use it. If you don't want to use a Hall sensor, you don't have to, just use the 2 wires. And they're also pretty quiet as well. So I've hooked one up to the FIRGELLI control box here just to demonstrate it operating. I'm using just a regular rocker switch, and you can see how quiet that is. Very nice. This controller can do many different things. It can adjust the limits automatically because the actuators has fixed limit switches built into it. But what this controller can do is actually adjust them, and it can adjust the speed. It can adjust the speed going out and coming back in, or vice versa. You have full control over the speed with this control box. And it also has a timer function, so you can set the time of day you wish the actuator to come on and open or close something. And it also has an interval feature if you want to change it to make it go on after a certain amount of minutes and then retract after a certain amount of minutes as well. And you can adjust it for the different days of the week if you want. So this is a very universal controller that doesn't have to be used with a FIRGELLI actuator. You can use it with other actuators that have built-in feedback like this, Hall sensor or optical sensor. So it should work with most actuators. We've just designed it specifically to work with the FIRGELLI actuators. So that's the utility actuator. And if we just compare that in size to the Super Duty, you can see there's a bit of a size difference. This is definitely a more compact unit.